Okay, tell me about the types of food that people eat in your country.
Well, people usually prefer according to their traditions and according to the area they live in. Like Balochi people would like to eat the food they are they get locally in Balochistan, and Punjabi people would prefer the food they get in Punjab.
So you would be talking about the fact that people, if I talk about the people in Balochistan, they would be more inclined towards Balochi cuisine, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, how are the eating habits now in your country different from eating habits in the past?
There is much variety of food because of the availability of fantastic restaurants and fast food shops that has increased the quality and
That,
quantity
that,
of
that
food that
okay, would it be that has or that have?
that that have
That have increased the quality. Okay, what else?
and the variety of food that was available as compared to past has been increased.
Okay, so what you're saying is that now food is readily available. Food from
Yes, sir.
different cultures, food from different cuisines is readily available, and that is how people are now more eager. Our
Yes, sir.
people are, yes, people are eager to go towards different types of food. How healthy is your country's food?
Well, talking about the healthy food, the percentage of healthy food has been decreased due to uh, various reasons as compared to the homemade food.
No, it's not about the homemade food and the food which is available outside. It's about the food which is available. Like if I'm talking about my country's food, do we eat a lot of vegetables? Do we eat meat? Are we eating more? I would say calorific food. इसको लिखना चाहते हैं तो लिख लें. कैलोरीफिक फूड वो होता है जिससे आपकी कैलोरीज बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाएं जिसकी वजह से आपका मोटापा और समथिंग व्हिच कैन कॉज ओबेसिटी. व्हाट इज ओबेसिटी?
Getting more fat.
Okay, getting fatter. Okay, so
Yes.
what do you believe? Do you believe that the food, the Pakistani food, is having nutritional value, or do you believe it is not having nutritional value?
The traditional food is have the traditional food have much value there,
Nutritional value. Please write it down.
nutritional value,
Okay.
but the food available in the restaurants or fast food that has become the uh, the part of everyone's life has less nutrition in it.
Very good. Why do you think different cultures have different table manners?
Sorry, sir.
Why do you think different cultures have different table manners?
uh, that is a bit difficult, sir.
Okay, for instance, if you talk about Pakistanis or Muslims, they tend to eat on the ground. Why is it that?
Yes, sir.
Why is it like that? It basically depends on the norms and values of that society.
Yes, sir.
Norms and values of the society which make them follow different table manners. For instance,
Yes, sir.
it is in our culture that if you're going to sit on the ground, you would be doing something which was done by our Prophet peace be upon him. Or when you're going to talk,
Yes.
when you're going to sit with each other and you're going to be very close to each other and you'll eat together, you'll end up having a much affable relationship with each other. Affable,
So what does it mean?
friendly. Affable means friendly. How may eating habits change in coming decades? Mr. Jazib, how may eating
Yes,
habits change in coming decade?
so the as you can see, there is a much increased rate of restaurants getting developed and getting introduced in our society, due to which the nutritional value of the foods have been decreased.
Okay, the nutritional value of the food has deteriorated. Please write it down. When something goes down, it is deteriorated. Okay, continue.
So that's all.
Okay, now I'm going to give all of you 2 minutes to have a look at all the words which I have written down. I was just making you guys understand the format of today's class. The format of today's class is to introduce you guys to better words, better vocabulary, and better ideas for the words that you are going to say. I am not using words which you on my own. I'm using the words which you are already using, but I'm just improving them. This is something which we were doing in this individual speaking practice, which was conducted today from 5:15 to 7. मिस्टर अहमद बाजवा, हम यही कर रहे थे ना क्लास में?
यस सर।
जब मैं आपका स्पीकिंग का इंडिविजुअल एग्जाम ले रहा था तो हम यही एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे ना उसमें?
जी जी सर, हम यही बात कर रहे थे।
कि हमने अब सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है, अपनी आइडियाज और वोकैबुलरी को, तब मैं इंडिविजुअली कर रहा था, अब मैं बोर्ड पे कर रहा हूँ। अब मैं आप लोगों को 2 मिनट दे रहा हूँ, इस सारे को नोट डाउन करें। मैंने खुद बड़ा बड़ा लिखा है कि आपको समझ आए। So we talked about cuisine, we talked about calorific food, we talked about obesity, we talked about nutritional value, we talked about norms and values, we talked about affable relationship, and we also talked about that the nutritional value of a certain kind of food deteriorates or is being deteriorated. Got it?
Yes sir.
Please note it down. I'm just going to come in 2 more minutes. I'm going to come back in 2 minutes. I want you guys to note it down. आप अभी इन वर्ड्स को लिखें और बाद में जब आप इसी लेक्चर को खुद सुनेंगे तो आपको नजर आएगा कि ये वर्ड्स जो हैं, ये आप इस क्लास के एंड तक आपने कोई 200 से 250 न्यू वर्ड्स सीख लिए होंगे। ओके, प्लीज नोट दीज वर्ड्स डाउन। Shall we start with the next person? Mr. Ahmed Bajwa, your turn. Let's talk about education. How are education priorities today different from those in the past?
So just 1 second, sir. Let me open the document, sir.
Okay. No, don't look at the doc. Yes, Miss Aisha, it's norms and values. Don't look at the document. If you don't understand, I'll just read it for you.
Sir, sir, can you repeat the question, please?
How
Was it
are,
interruption in your
yes,
voice?
how are, अभी भी आ रही है interruption?
नहीं सर, अब बेहतर है.
ठीक है. How are education priorities today different from those in the past?
Right, sir. Sir, primarily, I think with the technology and the world is getting more opportunities in every field of life. So we are changing day by day in every field. So similarly, the style of education and the priorities in the field of education. Hello, sir, are
Yes,
you with me?
yes, I'm with you.
Right, sir. Sir, so in other things, we are also changing our priorities with style of education and the uh,
Okay, let me answer this question. The question is, how are education priorities today different from those in the past? So in the past, did people spend more money on their wedding or did they spend more money on education?
So they spend more money on their wedding.
Yes. Now, let me just make you guys understand something. People in the past used to spend a lot of money on their weddings and all their family events and everything, but now they are realizing that not only for boys but also for girls, they are required to spend money on the education. So you could say now people are giving priority to education rather than spending money on extravagance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now there is one more thing.
What was the last word you just said in the
Extravagance. Fazul
extravagant?
kharchi. People no longer believe in extravagance. They believe that they should be spending money on skills rather than extravagance. अब मैं इसका एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. Buying a first class ticket is extravagance. फजूल खर्ची है. आप बिजनेस क्लास इकोनॉमी में भी जा सकते हैं. अगर 1 लाख की इकोनॉमी है तो 2-2.5 लाख की बिजनेस होती है और 10 लाख की फर्स्ट क्लास की टिकट होती है. So buying a ticket of first class is or would be regarded as extravagance. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Malik Farouk, are you free tomorrow at 7:15?
Yes, I am free.
Okay, your time is confirmed for 7:15. मैं ये चीज बाद में अभी इसके बाद डिस्कस कर लूंगा कि आपको जो टाइम स्लॉट होता है मगर अब मुझे पता लगे 2-3 लोग हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं, दे नॉट एबल टू डू इट बिफोर. मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि हम 9 to 10:30 में इस वजह से मैं नहीं लेता क्योंकि फिर हमारी 3-4 क्लासेस ज़ाया हो जाएंगी. तो ये मैं एकेडमी में भी ऐसे नहीं करता था. मैं हमेशा सैटरडे या संडे या किसी और दिन पे आके लेता था because then whatever we have to cover would be ruined. So tomorrow's time has been confirmed, which is going to be 7:15. Please message me so that I don't forget it. Okay.
Right.
Let's continue. Now there is one more thing. There is something called adult education. आप में से मेजॉरिटी लोग वो हैं जो कहीं पे काम कर रहे हैं और आप लोग चाहे आप वहां पे पढ़ने जा रहे हैं और यू गोइंग फॉर इमिग्रेशन. बाहर मुल्कों का ये बहुत बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. हमारे मुल्क में अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आने लग गया है. वो होता है एडल्ट एजुकेशन. वो कहते हैं कोई बंदा बच्चा है, जवान है या बूढ़ा है, वो एजुकेशन से अपने आप को ना कभी भी वो करे, अपने आप को कभी भी एजुकेशन से ना हटाए, because in that way that person's mind works better. So this is something which is now very much pervasive in Pakistan also. You can see that in order to get a promotion, you have to do a degree. You have to, for instance, if you're doing IELTS, it is also part of adult education. This is not something which you're doing in primary, secondary, or even college degrees. It's something which is related to your ad, adulthood. It's related to adult education. So now people tend to save money. For instance, if Mr. Malik Farouk is working in a company and if he goes towards an MBA program, or if he goes for MPhil or whatever, he would most likely get a promotion for the reason that he has never stopped acquiring education. So now people not only spend money on their children, but also they tend to believe that they should be saving money to acquire their own, or to augment their own skills also. ये भी लिख दें जरा. Augment their own skills. Mr. Ahmed Bajwa, did you understand the question now?
Yes, sir.
तो वो ये नहीं था कि आप की क्या फैसिलिटीज है, वो कहते प्रायोरिटीज क्या है. प्रायोरिटीज है कि आपके पास अगर आपके पास अगर 1 करोड़ रुपए है, तो आपके फादर आपको इंग्लैंड भेजने के लिए वो 1 करोड़ खर्च करेंगे, या फिर आपको कहेंगे जाएं बिजनेस करें. वो आपको जरूर कहेंगे जाएं आप इंग्लैंड पढ़ के अपने ये स्किल को एक्वायर करके आए, कि आपके साथ की स्किल हमेशा के लिए रहे. तो उनके लिए एजुकेशन अभी प्रायोरिटी बनी हुई है. गॉट इट?
जी sir.
Okay, let's move to the next question. What is your opinion?
Sir,
on the
please,
way-
sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of pervasive? The exact meaning, please.
परवेसिव का मतलब होता है वो चीज जो हर जगह फैल जाए. These days, coronavirus is pervasive. These days, online classes are everywhere. Online classes are pervasive. These days, online delivery systems are pervasive. Pervasive का मतलब होता है something which would be everywhere. Right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next question. What is your opinion on the way languages are taught in schools, Mr. Ahmed Bajwa?
Sir, we are also learning the skills of English language. So in our system, we are facing a lot of problems.
What is the question?
What is your opinion on the way languages are taught in schools? अब इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि आपने ये बताना है कि पहले तो आपको ये डिटरमिन करना है कि स्कूल्स में लैंग्वेजेस को कैसे पढ़ाया जाता है. Now, if I talk about English, do they just focus on books, or do they make you watch videos? Do they make you read something? Do they make you visit certain places? For instance, do they encourage field trips? अब अगर आप किसी को
सर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा हूँ सर. जब हम ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इनको अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं, तो सर क्या हम सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की हद तक बात करेंगे या ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड वाइड हमने
वो
बात
आपकी
करनी
मर्जी है.
सर? वो फिर थोड़ा सा सर, अगर तो पाकिस्तान की बात हो तो वो तो बंदा इजीली कर लेता है, लेकिन फिर जब इंटरनेशनली भी करते फिर वो डबल माइंडेड सा एक कॉन्सेप्ट आ जाता है, फिर वो ना इधर का ना उधर का.
नहीं तो आप एक काम करें, आप एक ही
इसलिए
कंट्री पे रहें. यू ओनली स्टे विद पाकिस्तान.
मैं यही चाह रहा.
जी. Now answer, what is your opinion on the way languages are taught in schools?
Right, sir. Sir, as I said before, that we face a lot of problems during our schooling. So English is not our first language. we used to speak Urdu or Punjabi or whatever we are.
आप ये भी ये गलती रोकनी है. ये मिस्टर फराज मेरे से बात कर रहे थे इस बारे में कि यूज्ड टू का क्या मतलब होता है कि हम किया करते थे. आप यूज्ड टू के बजाय सिंपली बोलें आई एम हैबिचुअल ऑफ. वी आर हैबिचुअल ऑफ. हम आदि हैं
Okay, sir.
हैबिचुअल ऑफ. तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम होती
Right,
है कि
sir.
आप वी यूज्ड टू गो टू द पार्क. जब लोग कहते हैं ना वी यूज्ड टू गो टू द पार्क, वो बेसिकली बताना चाह रहे थे हम पार्क जाते हैं. तो वो गलत है. यूज्ड टू का मतलब हम जाया करते थे. तो आप सिंपली कह दें वी आर हैबिचुअल ऑफ गोइंग टू द पार्क. तो आपकी वो यूज्ड टू वाली प्रॉब्लम ही खत्म हो जाएगी.
Right, sir.
राइट.
Sir, yes, sir.
ओके, कंटिन्यू
Sir,
नाउ.
we are habitual of speaking Urdu or our mother language at our homes. So we face
अच्छा, अब आप मैं
a lot
अपनी
of
बात सुने. ये मैं आप लोगों का जब इंडिविजुअल
जी, जी,
स्पीकिंग का एग्जाम ले रहा था, दिस इज समथिंग आई वाज टेलिंग यू ओवर देयर आल्सो. आप लोगों को अब हम उस पॉइंट से गुजर चुके हैं कि मैं आप लोगों को बस सिर्फ एग्जाम कंडक्ट कराऊं या बताऊं. आप बताएं कि आप कितने लिंकिंग डिवाइसेस यूज कर रहे हैं. आपने 4 बार बोला है. यू कुड हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड thus, you could have used the word therefore, you could have used the word consequently. So you need to understand that you need to use these words or else they are of no use. आपको linking devices के कभी marks नहीं मिलेंगे. Fine.
right, sir. सर ये मैंने भी नोट किया, ये मिसिंग है मेरी
कि आपको आप
speaking में.
ये मैं जिस के साथ ये कर रहा हूँ, ये रोक रहा हूँ, आप सबको इरिटेशन तो होगी, but that is the only way you can improve.
Exactly.
Okay, continue now.
Yes, sir. So we were talking about the language. Sir, we face a lot of problem during speaking because the English language is not our first language. We are learning it from this academy as well, just to appear in the IELTS exam, so that we can get bands to pursue our further education.
Okay, I'm
so
sorry, Mr. Ahmed Bajwa, I'm sorry to interrupt you. You need to focus on the question. You are speaking, but you're not answering the question. The question is, what is your opinion on the way languages are taught in schools? अगर आप पाकिस्तान की भी बात कर रहे हैं, तो आप ये कहेंगे if
Sir, I'm coming back to the point.
No. Again, for speaking part 3, you don't have time, that much time. एग्जामिनर ने आपका अगला क्वेश्चन पूछ लेना है. वो स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2 में होता है कि आपके पास स्टोरी बिल्ड अप करने का टाइम होता है. स्पीकिंग पार्ट 3 के अंदर आपने 15 to 20 सेकंड्स में अपना आंसर देना है. अगर आप वही 15 to 20 सेकंड्स किसी और चीज का बारे में बात करेंगे, तो एग्जामिनर को फील होगा कि आपको क्वेश्चन की समझ नहीं है. The examiner will feel as if you were not able to understand the question, and that was the reason you deviated from the question and you gave an answer which was not even closely related to it. I want you to directly answer the question now.
Sir, according to my opinion, we are much behind than the schools which are focusing very on the speaking and the writing and other parts of the language. So this is the answer.
Okay, so I'll give you the answer now. What is your opinion on the way languages are taught in schools? If I talk about Pakistan, most Pakistani schools are run under the metric education system. There are others which are dealing with religious institutes, and there are very few which are related to OA levels and American High School Diploma. If I talk about the majority of the schools, if they are teaching English as a language, they would just encourage them to read it from the books, and they would actually believe that just by reading a book, a person would be able to learn a language. I think in order to make someone learn a language, we have to give that person, I would say, a very big, or I would say a massive exposure of that language. It cannot be confined towards the books. For instance, in my opinion, if they are teaching languages in the wrong way, they should encourage them, they should motivate them to watch videos, because when they will be watching videos, even if they don't know like the language, those videos could evoke the interest of the watcher. Secondly, I believe they should take them to different field trips in which they should be taught about the history of the language, so that again the interest could be triggered. So I think they are just teaching English or any other language in a way as if they can learn the language by cramming. And that is one of the foremost reasons that whenever people are trying to improve their English, they are not able to do it because they have not gone through a process where different methodologies were adopted. Only one methodology to improve English is not going to be viable. You have to have a pragmatic approach towards improving your language, and that can only be done if you have different methodologies being employed. So you have to take into account all different methods. You should be focusing on listening, you should be focusing on your speaking, you should be focusing on your vocabulary, you should be focusing on all different modules so that the overall English language could be improved. Right?
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. How can the type of school you go affect career success? In simple words, if you go to a good school, would you become successful or not? Tell me why or why not. Hello?
Yes, sir.
अब ये इस सारे ये मैंने आपको फर्स्ट वीक में दिया था, मैंने आपको कहा था ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को आपने देखना है, इसके बारे में नोट्स लेने हैं, और मैंने आपको ये भी कहा था कि किसी भी दिन पे मैं आप लोगों से इसके बारे में पूछूंगा। जो अभी मैं क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि शायद आप लोगों ने इन क्वेश्चंस को देखा भी नहीं है। ओके, मिस्टर अहमद बाजवा, प्लीज आंसर द क्वेश्चन. Do you believe that going to a better school can make you become successful in life?
Right, sir. Sir, I do agree with it. That obviously, when your counseling is in very broader way, then obviously you have the better opportunities and better guideline for your success, sir.
Very good. ये आपने बिल्कुल छोटा था, कंसाइज था, मगर आपने ये पहला क्वेश्चन है जो बिल्कुल सही आंसर किया. वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. What changes do you think will happen in the classroom in the near future?
So should I answer?
Yes. What changes? आपको क्या लग? What changes do you think will happen in the classroom? What kind of classrooms would students be having in the future?
Sir, we are also uh, sir, we are also feeling the change in the classrooms. When I was in government college, our classrooms were some type of rough and boring. But later on, when we were in university, our classrooms were decorated, and blackboard and whiteboards were changed into the projector set. So, the classrooms are turned into an auditorium as well, sir. So, and the sitting has also been changed. Yes, sir. That's
Okay,
it.
very good. So you believe that in the future there would be more technological advancement. If in case you want to write it down, there would be more
Yes, sir.
technological advancement done in the classroom. and you also believe that all these improvements had started even when you were in the university. One more thing, you could say that I believe that in the future they might just reduce the ratio of teacher-student ratio. Like now, certain research or different studies are claiming that if there are more than 30 students in the class, there can be there can be no association, there could be no interaction between teacher and student. So as soon as the number of students increases from 30, it's very difficult for the students to even talk to the teacher, even once in a week. So I believe that in the future that ratio would be reduced. For instance, when I was in the university, there used to be like 120 to 130 in the class, but now the university has changed the policy. They have altered it in a way that now there will be only 30, 35 students in the class. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes. I want you guys to write these words down. Extravagance. We are habitual of, pervasive, augment their English skills. Thus, therefore, books, videos, reading, field trips. After 2 minutes, we are going to start with the next topic. Mr. Malik Farouk, you'll be the next one.
Right, sir.
Is water pollution a problem in your country?
Definitely. This is because there is no water treatment plants available in the factories, and the other commercial institutes. Water is being polluted through the chemical uses and other substances which
Very
are
good.
not good for environment.
So you talked about water treatment plants. You talked about the water is being polluted or contaminated. ये इस word को जरा लिख लें आप लोग. Contaminated. Okay. What are some of the causes of water pollution?
Like I said earlier, the chemical uses and the substances of dangerous nature for human health and other living beings are used in factories and industrial institutes. These are making water contaminated, and the water flowing into the
Moreover, you could have used the
drains
word moreover.
are moreover
Mhm.
the water going into the drains uh, are is being used for the irrigation of fields, which is also adding aflatoxin uh, for the human food after growth of vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay. What can individuals do to try and ensure water is kept clean?
I think this is corporate social responsibility.
CSR.
The institutes, yes,
So I'll just
the
rephrase the
institute.
question. I first want you to talk about what the individuals can do, and then I want you to talk about what the corporations can do. For instance,
Okay,
individuals show apathy towards the problems which are pervasive or the problems which are affecting them. Do you know the meaning of apathy?
no, I don't.
Okay.
बेहिसी.
Sorry.
It's बेहिसी.
जी बेहिसी को कहते हैं. अगर आप किसी के लिए
Right,
if you show your ability to show emotions towards other people उसको कहते हैं empathy. अगर आप और empathy हम हमेशा उस बंदे के लिए करते हैं जो आपके बराबरी का होता है. हमें लगता है कि हम किसी को sympathy बोलेंगे तो वो खुश होगा. Sympathy हम उसको बोलते हैं जो जिसको हम अपने से नीचे समझते हैं. तो आप हमेशा
right.
जब भी किसी को कहें ना कि आई हैव एम्पैथी फॉर यू, एम्पैथी का मतलब है कि मैं आपके दर्द को समझ सकता हूँ. सिंपैथी का मतलब होता है कि आप किसी पे तरस खाएं.
Right,
और एपैथी का मतलब होता है कि फर्क ही ना पड़े.
right, sir.
फॉर इंस्टेंस मिस्टर मलिक फारूक मुझे ये कहें कि मुझे स्पीकिंग में प्रॉब्लम है और मैं कहूँ ठीक है कुछ नहीं होता बोल देना वहां पे ठीक हो जाएगा. तो आप किसी स्टूडेंट को 2 दिन बाद कहेंगे I was shocked to see the apathy of the teacher towards my problem.
Right,
Got it?
got it, got
Okay.
it.
Now tell me what individuals can do and then tell me what the corporations can do in order to ensure that the water is kept clean.
Right. I think individuals shall. Um, what I can do with taking my example, I used to throw in garbage in when I was my childhood. I used to throw garbage in canals, which are canals which were used for irrigation system of for the fields. When I was then I started growing up and getting the understanding that what I am doing is I am polluting the environment and the water as well, which is being used for the human living and the food purpose. So this is a very simple example that after leaving these kind of habits and getting aware of the environment is important for all the individuals, and moreover I could also give if I have awareness, so I could pass this awareness to other individuals that they should stop doing these kind of activities so that our water and the other environment like parts could be betterly uh, served.
Okay. How about I use the word we could we could forego such practices which could be hazardous to the environment.
Right, sir.
We could forego such practices which could be hazardous to the environment. कि हम वो practices छोड़ दें जो हमारे environment के लिए बुरी हों.
Right,
Fine?
fine.
Okay, very good. And you could have also talked about that individuals make corporations. Like they're not robots, they're people who run the corporations. If 4 or 5 people are going to be influenced by those awareness campaigns, there's a very high probability that they might impart that message to other people. So that message could be disseminated to other people through awareness campaigns. ये एक वर्ड मैं लिख रहा हूँ disseminated, कभी सुना है आपने?
Yes, sir.
इसका क्या मतलब होता है?
Spread.
Yes, spread. Okay, good. Next question. Do you think problems with the cleanliness of water will improve in the future? You could talk about the government, you could talk about what initiatives have been taken by the government.
With the present initiatives taken by the government, I don't think that this situation is getting any better uh, in the future. This is primarily because we have lost awareness for the our clean environment. We are using methods which are short term in nature, and we have forgotten about our future generations. In the longer run, the methods used, like we have not installed any clean water plants, and we started using the methods which are very short term in nature.
Okay, so I believe you're trying to say that our efforts are futile.
Yes.
Our efforts are futile. For instance, whatever we are doing is all those methods, all those practices have have already been obsolete in the real world, but we are still using them, not knowing that they don't have any practical advantages. So all our efforts are being futile. For instance, if you talk about the government, they'll just print an ad in the newspaper and telling people not to do certain thing, or they would be urging, or they would be fining those companies, and or even those fines are of such nominal value that those companies would rather pay those nominal fines than invest in having those water treatment plants. So all these efforts are futile. We have to have a much more pragmatic approach.
Yes, I
अच्छा,
was also thinking about this.
जी.
We have not adopted a pragmatic approach for cleaning water,
अच्छा,
right?
अब आप लोग इस क्लास में आप सब बैठे हुए हैं. पिछले हफ्ते मैं vocabulary को आपको बता रहा था, but I was not showing these words. ये जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं, जो हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, जो हम वर्ड्स लिख रहे हैं, ये वो वर्ड्स नहीं है जो मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि जाएं इन वर्ड्स को याद करके आएं. ये वो वर्ड्स हैं जो आप बोलते हैं और उसी वक्त मुझे आपको एक बेटर वर्ड देना पड़ता है. ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस है, it is not something which is taught in any IELTS book. This is something which is learned after perhaps teaching, but after reading for many years. So you might not be able to, you are right now using these words, you might not be able to have short-term solution to your vocabulary problem, but you would definitely have a long-term solution to your vocabulary problem. आप हर रोज जितना ज्यादा पढ़ सकते हैं, आपकी vocabulary उतनी ज्यादा enhance होती जाएगी. अगर आप नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो कोई भी अगर आपको ये कहते हैं ना कि ये वर्ड्स हैं, ये 10 वर्ड्स हैं, याद करें, you would never be able to remember them. This is how you would be able to remember them, because you are now being given these words according to the words you are already using. Fine.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want all of you
Yes, sir.
to watch this video again. When I used to have these classes in the academy, this is how we used to do it. We used to just write down the words which people were saying, and I used to give better words. And after, by the end of the class, you would feel that now, yes, things are not as difficult as you might have perceived them to be. Please write down these words. Our efforts are futile: water treatment plant, disseminated, contaminated, CRS, will is corporate social responsibility. कि ज़्यादातर कंपनीज इसके बारे में लिखती हैं, इसके बारे में जरा रिसर्च करना. Show apathy, empathy, forgo such
सर एनुअल
practices.
रिपोर्ट्स में लिखते हैं.
जी, अवेयरनेस कैंपेन. कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसको कहते हैं कि एक कोई ऐसी प्रैक्टिस जिससे कंपनी को फायदा ना हो, मगर वो सोशली उनको वो चीज करनी पड़ती है इस वजह से कि वो सोसाइटी जिससे वो इतना बिलियन कमा रहे हैं उसको भी वो किसी तरीके से वापस दे सके.
Yes, sir. For the well-being of wider community. Yes.
Yes, for the well-being of the wider community. I'm giving you 2 more minutes and I'm going to then start with the next topic. Please write these down. Okay, let's see. Let's involve Mr. Let's involve Ms. Tessin. Ms. Tessin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. How popular is watching television in your country?
Okay. Television in KSA there is also the television. Watching television is very popular, um, and this is a source of information, and many not many what we say the debates and interview are on air on the television daily basis
On air or
and
broadcasted. Please write this word down.
broadcasting.
Yes.
Okay. And and here the most of the children they are very interested in watching TV
Okay.
and
Please stop. They are intrigued. I'm going to write this down. They are intrigued by the idea of watching TV.
सर इंट्रीग का मतलब तो दिलचस्पी होगा.
दिलचस्प, हाँ, जब आप किसी चीज के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो जाए उसको कहते हैं आई वॉज इंट्रीग्ड बाय द आइडिया ऑफ गोइंग टू द नॉर्दर्न एरियाज. आई वॉज इंट्रीग्ड बाय द आइडिया ऑफ गोइंग टू मलेशिया. आई वॉज इंट्रीग्ड बाय द आइडिया ऑफ ईटिंग फूड एट द रेस्टोरेंट. मतलब मुझे दिलचस्पी हुई इस आइडिया से.
ओके सर, फाइन.
and the other here the many Asian channel like Pakistani channel and Indian films are also watching here in Arabic version.
नहीं, are also watching नहीं होगा, are also watched over here.
Or watch over here Indians and Pakistani dramas and films in Arabic translation, and in our school we use also watch television.
Yes.
In the school we also prefer the students watch television like cartoons and motivated videos. We use
motivational.
the watching motivational like
this is not going to work like that. जब मैं आपको रोक रहा हूँ तो आपको प्लीज रुकना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये स्पीकिंग पार्ट 2 की तरह नहीं है और इसके पूरी बुनियाद ये है. The crux or the essence of this lecture is that whenever I'm trying to stop you, just stop so that I could make you understand what improvements could you have. Okay?
Right, sir.
Right. So tell me about some of the programs which you would encourage your students to watch.
Okay, I encourage to student watch related with their studies, like information, like scientific based. Yes, sir.
I urge my students. तो ये motivate का भी better word है ना. I urge my students to watch programs which are having some sort of educational content.
Nice.
Right, sir. Nice.
Sure. Chalo.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Why do people like watching television a lot?
Why people watching television a lot? Uh, if they have spare time and they did not want to give the time to the mobile, they they want to watch news and some daily basis interview talk news. सर टॉप न्यूज होता है या टॉप टॉप
Talk
प्रोग्राम्स
shows.
होते हैं
They
टॉक शोज
love to watch current
टॉक
affair
शोज
programs.
yes
Programs,
current
but
affairs shows.
yes,
And the new research based program like they want to watch geographical channels if people want to watch these programs there is more informative related like visiting and other countries and there is more information about the animals and about the other
very good,
countries.
excellent, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
do
sir.
you think that private channels are better than public channels? I'll just rephrase that thing. Like
Mhm.
PTV is a public owned channel and Express,
Okay.
Geo, and AirY are private owned channels. Which
Yes.
channels, which of these do you believe private television is better than public television, or public television is better than private television?
Yes, this is so simple question because it is depend on time and modern culture because the first in the past we have just only one channel and I have no any idea about in my country कैसे but if we have a one channel the people want to watch one channel but now the private channels they are doing better because they give more programs like related with foods and the culture and other things and they have some limit to show the things but in the public program they have some restrictions because they did not show too much
They
extra
did not or
things
they cannot. They did not
I
show.
think they did not show
नहीं नहीं आप
the
कहीं
extra things related. Mhm.
आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला ये. Very good. So, what
Thank you.
effects can watching television have on children? Tell me about both positive and negative effects.
I just what affect the children. I think if a parents they limitize some channels, they are not access easily access for the children. That would be good because some parents they spend their time on the job and they left their children with the some maid and other person so nowadays the television channel they become on satellite and they lot of things the children did not allow to watch the programs so parents have some limit सर
Okay,
वो क्या
very
कहते हैं
good.
उस पे
ये क्या बोल
प्राइवेसी
रहे हैं?
सर प्राइवेसी को क्या बोलेंगे put they hide some there is easily accessible for
See,
the
so
children
सुनो जरा.
so they
It's
allow the
on,
children the what
it
you
is now on the discretion of the parents to whether discretion. It is on the discretion of the parents to either make their children watch something or not. डिस्क्रेशन का मतलब होता है कि वो पेरेंट्स की मर्जी होती है कि वो उसको देखना बच्चों को वो चीज दिखाना चाहे या ना दिखाना चाहे.
yes because for the children it is on responsibility for the parents if they allow the children that is very negative for the but if they are concerned with the children so it is good for them. They watch television, whatever they want to watch, like related according to their age, because there are some channels they are fixed age limit, like the adults can watch this program or this, so they have some certain the age limit. So the parents should be aware about this thing. And there is this modern television, they have this type of facilities to put some certain restrictions on the channels. So
Excellent. बहुत अच्छा बोले आपने.
basically,
Very good.
thank you sir.
हम क्लास में होते तो मैं आप सबको कहता क्लैपिंग करें. Okay. Let's move to the next person, Mr. Faraz Zaidi.
Yes, sir.
Have you written these words down? Broadcasted, source of rich information, intrigued by the idea of watching TV. I urge education. I urge they provide educational content and it is on the discretion of the parents to either make them watch something or not. Let's start with the next person. What type of people?
Yes.
What type of people influence the young in your country?
Sir, the young people in my country are more inclined towards sportsmen.
Mhm.
So they are more habitual to towards reading or to listening their biography.
Would it
So
be habitual to or habitual of?
habitual of
Yes.
habitual of they are habitual of reading biographies of the sportsmen or
Would it be biography?
biographies
Hmm.
biographies of sportsmen or popular cricketer like
Yes.
Shahid Khan Afridi.
ये वर्ड कभी सुना है आपने? Celebrated personalities.
Yes, sir.
Celebrated क्या होता है?
Sir, celebrity जिसे हम कहते हैं.
जी, celebrity इस वर्ड से निकलता है. Celebrated personality का मतलब है famous personality. तो celebrated का मतलब है famous, renowned.
Okay, sir.
ये जरा लिख लें.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next. Why is it important to have role models?
So role models, the life of role models can be used to give a right direction to the young generation,
Very good.
as they follow some person, any person. If they follow any person as a role model, they will adopt their good habits, or they will adopt their good deeds towards society. So if they will if there will be some role models, the young generation will adopt their acts which they have done, and they became so popular,
Okay, so what
like
you're saying
Idil
is that
Jusakaridi.
you are trying to say is that those role models would be a source of inspiration for people.
Yeah, exactly.
ठीक है ना? Source of
Yes, sir.
inspiration. Okay, next one. Do you think education system in your country influences the young, the minds of young people? Do you believe that the education system in your country can influence the minds of young people?
Education, I think education is not education. I think education is not um, um, influencing the minds of young people, because it's their personal discretion. It's their personal discretion to adopt to make
It would not
someone
be
as
discretion,
their
it would be
fantasy
successful.
or
Discretion.
discretion.
Hmm.
It is on their own discretion that they have any if they have any role make anyone cannot make anyone your fascinating personality or your celebrated personality.
Okay.
So education system is not related with that.
Okay. Who can influence young people the most? Teachers or parents or friends?
In my opinion, friends can influence young people as if the friend if someone have a good friend and who is thriving in their in uh, who is thriving in his business or in any other part of life,
Hmm.
and is a successful person, then the uh, the other people will uh, adopt other people will adopt their other people will follow them to be a successful person.
Very
So and there if they are if they are making a friend as a role model, then it is more likely to that it is more likely that they will follow the right path which their friend chose previously, and they become more successful because there is a sense of motivation from they could get from their friends, and there is a sense of competition also.
very good. Excellent. What do you think young people will be most influenced by in the future? What thing will influence young people the most?
I think uh, the most positive thing which will influence the mind of young people
No, which would influence the
will
minds of
be
young people. Minds of.
which will yeah which will influence the minds of young people will be a mind of philanthropic attitude. It will be a
Okay.
philanthropic attitude
You're talking about
because
philanthropy.
now
Have you heard of the word munificence?
no sir.
Munificence is when you help other people. When you help other people, can you give me better words for helping other people?
Uh, Sir, here human friendly or sir social person,
No.
someone who is social. Philanthrop. Uh,
Have you heard of the word benevolent?
Yes, sir.
What is benevolent?
So I just heard it in a
it's
term
like
of
well-being,
well-being. Yes, I was just saying.
This
like benevolent friend.
benevolent जो word है ये benefit से निकला है. इसका मतलब है कि आप किसी और का फायदा करें. So when you were talking about philanthropic acts, you could have philanthropic भी सही था. तो आप ये भी कह सकते थे people would be more impressed or I would say influenced by benevolent acts or magnanimous acts. अब अगर हम अब्दुल सत्तार ईदी की बात करें तो हम उनको उनके मैग्नानिमस एक्ट्स की वजह से याद करते हैं. मैग्नानिमस का मतलब होता है वो एक्ट्स जो दुनिया के बेहतरी के लिए बगैर किसी लालच के हों.
Okay, sir. Sir, it could be like compassionate grounds.
जी, compassionate grounds पे होता है. आप
Okay.
एक चीज मैं आपको एक बड़ा एक सिंपल सा बताता हूँ. बिल गेट्स जो है वो कोई 10 साल पहले उसके ऊपर हर दिन जो है ना 10-12 केस होते थे कि वो उसने मोनोपोली ही हैज मोनोपोलिस्टिक प्रैक्टिसेस और उसको और एवरीवन वांटेड टू टेक हिम डाउन. उसने अपनी कंपनी से रिजाइन किया अपनी कंपनी को बचाने के लिए क्योंकि लोग उससे नफरत बहुत करते थे. उसने गेट्स फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट की जिससे वो मैग्नानिमस एक्ट फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट बन गया. अब देखें कोई भी उससे नफरत नहीं करता चाहे असल में वो जितना भी.
Everyone makes him as a fascinating person.
नहीं ये तो हम यहाँ पे है ना. अगर आप वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में देखें ना तो पिछले 10-15 साल पहले लोग उससे नफरत करते थे कि इतना अमीर क्यों हो गया. अब उससे कोई भी नफरत इसलिए नहीं करता क्योंकि अब वो मैग्नानिमस एक्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व हो गया है जिससे लोगों को फायदा होता है. अगर वो बीच I'm not sure what he would be doing, but the thing is even if he is doing it in a very not in a very massive way or he's not investing or injecting a lot of money in those projects, but people respect him more after Gates Foundation. आपको पता है गेट्स फाउंडेशन क्या है?
No, sir.
अच्छा, इसके बारे में जरा सर्च करना आप. ये जो हम कह रहे होते हैं ना कि बिल गेट्स नवाज शरीफ को मिला, बिल गेट्स इमरान खान को मिला, वो इनसे इसलिए नहीं मिलता कि वो कह रहा होता है कि मैंने इनसे मिलके बड़ा वो करना है. वो हर साल पाकिस्तान को फ्री पोलियो के कतरे देता है. वो कहता है मुझे इसका हिसाब दो.
Like sir, वो अरफा करीम से मिला था. अरफा करीम उससे मिली.
जी वो था ना कि वो शी वाज द यंगेस्ट वन. अगर आप ये देखें कि पाकिस्तान वाहिद एक मुल्क है जहाँ पे या 2-3 और मुल्क है जहाँ पे पोलियो अभी तक एग्जिस्ट करता है. तो वो जब अपने ये कतरे भिजवाते हैं ना तो ये कतरे गेट्स फाउंडेशन भिजवाती है, बिल गेट्स भिजवाता है. तो फिर वो इनको कहता है कि मैंने इतने पैसे दिए थे आप लोगों ने क्यों नहीं अभी तक खत्म किया. बिल गेट्स बाकी वर्ल्ड लीडर्स को नहीं मिलता, पाकिस्तान के वर्ल्ड लीडर्स को हमेशा मिलता है क्योंकि उसने अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में उनसे पूछना होता है.
Okay.
समझ आइए आपको? हमारी खबरें जो है ना आ रही होती हैं कि देखें बिल गेट्स मिल गया हमें, मगर वो उसके पीछे असल वजह ये है. आपने अगर इसकी डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखनी है ना नेटफ्लिक्स पे तो बिल गेट्स की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखें, वो बहुत अच्छी है. उसके अंदर वो जो उसने दुनिया में ना ये लोगों की भलाई के लिए काम किए हैं वो सारी उसकी पूरी वीडियो बनी हुई है.
Yeah, to eradicate polio or something other some other disease.
हाँ ये नेटफ्लिक्स पे आप सर्च करें आपके पास वो पूरा एक वो है सीजन है पूरा.
Okay sir.
Okay.
I will. Yeah.
It is very inspirational. It is a very good season.
Okay, fine sir. I will watch.
Okay. Let's do it with Mr. Fizan now. आपका हो चुका है Mr. Fizan?
No sir.
Okay, let's start. Let's talk about shopping. Is shopping a popular activity in your country?
Yes sir. Shopping is a very popular activity in my country. People like from all sects, like all, if they are rich or like poor, they even for like rich people they just go and buy everything. For like poor people, even for like poor people, they will shop for like 2 to 3 times in a like year. So it's a popular activity in my country.
Okay. How have shopping habits changed over recent years?
Sir, kindly repeat the question.
How have shopping habits changed over recent years?
So shopping habits for like can we in this question can we say that shopping for like online shopping and for in-person shopping?
Yes, you can say it.
Yes, for for talking about shopping habits, there is a lot of change that has happened in these recent years. For like if we move just for like 10 years, was not that popular. People used to go to malls and different outlets to buy the things, to buy different stuff and clothes. But in nowadays, when the online shopping is a very mainstream, and even during this pandemic, when the malls are closed and different outlets they are closed, people still do shopping but from online.
Okay,
So I
very good. So
I think it changed a lot.
you have propensity to shop online. Propensity का क्या मतलब होता है?
Don't know, sir.
Propensity का मतलब होता है inclination, उनका interest है. Do you know the meaning of propensity?
रुझान सर.
रुझान.
Interest.
ठीक है?
Yes sir.
Okay. To what extent do you think advertising affects the way people shop?
So advertisement
No,
affect
not
a lot.
advertisement. It would be advertisements.
Advertisement affects a lot. For example,
They can. Okay, sorry. You could say they could have an overwhelming effect on the buying pattern of the consumer. Overwhelming effect on the buying patterns or buying preferences of the consumer. ये अच्छा है ना word overwhelming.
सर इसका मीनिंग बताएंगे सर?
जी मैं बता रहा हूँ.
मतलब नेगेटिव सेंस में यूज होता है ना?
जी overwhelming क्या होगा?
I think परेशान करने वाला.
नहीं ये वो एक तो होता है ना I was overwhelmed with fear, I was overwhelmed with joy. ये दोनों तरफ हो सकता है. यहाँ पे ये as an adjective use हो रहा है कि जब आप कहते हैं ना it had a great effect on the buying pattern of the consumers, आप कह सकते हैं it could have an overwhelming effect. शदीद, बहुत ज़्यादा, right?
Okay.
Okay, Mr.
okay, so
Fizan.
advertisement has an overwhelming effect on buying preference of the consumer. For like advertisement, it give us the choice for like people get to know about the choice they have to for like even they want something and they don't know from where to buy the advertisements they help them. Also the advertisement there are certain drawbacks of advertisement like for like most of the advertisements they show something and when the consumer buys them it was not the same. So I think it has some drawbacks.
Very good. Do you think shopping habits are likely to change in the future?
Yes, as I said earlier, the shopping habits for like in like 10 years, it has changed a lot from like in-person shopping to online shopping. And and who knows, and for like another 10 years, what would change in the future.
So, but you can also discuss it. For instance, if I talk about today's situation, most people are more towards, like even in the Western world, people are more towards online shopping. However, this trend might change in the future. for instance, this trend changed a lot when, if I talk about my own country, when it opened after a lockdown of 2 to 3 months, the markets were inundated with customers. People understood the value of physical shopping. So in the next, I think in the next 5 to 10 years, all those retail stores which were closing because people were moving towards online shopping might not close because now people are valuing everything which was around them. So people hate everything which is having the word online with it. It could be online shopping, online education, everything which is online. I believe in the next 5 to 10 years might change because people are sick and tired of being at home and they don't want anything to be online anymore.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. I get it.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, one more reason. Sir, one more reason of that the people want to get rid of online shopping is that uh, the the thing we are going to order is very difficult, very different from the thing we are going to get.
Yes, it is one of the
Like
reasons, but
it could be changed in size or in quality.
जी जी ठीक है, सही कह रहे हैं. यही क्वेश्चन 6 महीने पहले होता ना तो हर कोई कहता है ऑनलाइन बढ़ जाएगा. मगर आप ये देखें कि अगर रेस्टोरेंट्स खुलते हैं तो क्या आप लोग डिलीवरी करवाएंगे? आप कभी भी नहीं कराएंगे. आप कहेंगे हम रेस्टोरेंट जाएं. उसी तरीके से दुनिया जो है ना वो तंग आ गई है अपने घर में बैठ के, और हर चीज जो ऑनलाइन की है. तो ये अमेजोन है, ये जितनी भी कंपनीज हैं, ये जितना कमा रही हैं, इनके बिजनेस से जूम है जैसे जो ये अभी जिसमें हम क्लास करते हैं, ये हर बंदे से चार्ज करते हैं इस क्लास का.
Yes,
तो
sir. They have like a premium.
Like Food Panda, sir. Food
हाँ,
No, sir,
Panda.
the Zoom. You can buy the Zoom
जी
for subscription so that during the class it will not crash. The system will not crash.
जी
So
Sir, earlier,
you can even purchase.
sir, some days back,
उसने वही बात परचेज
you
किया हुआ है.
told me,
मगर इसमें क्या होगा
you
कि वो
told
जैसे
us,
ही लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा ना, ये जूम बिल्कुल ही आई बिलीव इट वुड बी क्लोज टू ऑब्सोलीट. बहुत कम लोग इसको यूज करेंगे.
yeah, earlier, sir, you told that Zoom was going to uh, collapse,
हम्म,
but following the pandemic,
हम्म.
it is now in on demand
On demand
due
billions.
to
You cannot
lockdown.
imagine how much the price of their stocks has increased. उसको जरा
Okay,
देखिए ना,
Yeah,
Zoom, आप जाएं Zoom communications on stock prices, तो वो आपको पिछले 10 साल की ट्रेंड दिखाएंगे और आप कहेंगे कि ये कहाँ पे था और ये कहाँ पे पहुंच गया है सिर्फ पेंडेमिक की वजह से.
yes, sir. So
It
the
is
apps
it is
like these,
now in
like
the 100 top performing companies.
Yes.
yes, sir. And similarly, the apps like Zoom, they are apps, AnyDesk app, and these are apps which are being used during these work from home system.
Yes.
Even we are
हम
using the app, AnyDesk app, to which will connect the from our computer with the office server, so that they can manage and they can like they can surveillance. Can we use the surveillance
yes,
to monitor us?
now even imagine, हम इंसान की जो होती है ना वो ये होती है कि हम सिर्फ उसको देख रहे होते हैं जो कमा रहा है. Just imagine what would be happening with Uber, what would be happening with Airbnb. ये दो कंपनी जो थी ये सबसे ज्यादा ऊपर जा रही थी. अब ये दोनों कंपनी जो है ना, I've not been following the stocks, but I think they might be on the verge, on the brink of being bankrupt.
Yes, sir.
Things have changed. Okay, let's talk about next person. Who is the next person? Miss Mariam Yusuf, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. What types of sports are popular in your country?
In my country, there are numerous sports that people would love to play. Moreover, children would love to play cricket and football, especially on their weekends or on vacations. And the young people, young people usually like to play cricket with their friends and the siblings.
Okay, what are the benefits of playing a sport?
Yeah, there are numerous benefits of playing
Okay, please
sports.
write it down. You are talking about numerous. You could use the word manifold. You could say uncountable. You could use the word myriad. All these are better words. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I watched a letter where many folds spelling were MANY. Is it wrong or right?
Why? नहीं why तो नहीं होता.
Yeah.
Confirm कर लेता हूँ. Wait कर.
Manifolds. Manifolds, like manifolds means sir गुना. इतने गुना. Five folds.
नहीं वो तो दूसरा word होता है.
Okay.
पता नहीं इसमें नजर आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा. इसमें I नहीं है. इसमें Y नहीं है. इसमें I होता है. Manifold.
ओके सर, अगर 5 फोल्ड्स होगा तो उसका क्या मतलब होगा? 5 गुना.
5 गुना. एक ये होता है ना, जैसे आप कहते हैं 2 फोल्ड. 2 फोल्ड का मतलब है 2 गुना. 3 फोल्ड.
2 times, 3 times.
5 फोल्ड, 6 फोल्ड, 10 फोल्ड. इनका मतलब होता है गुना.
और मैनी फोल्ड्स का मतलब कई गुना.
कई गुना, वो आप काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते, बहुत ज्यादा.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
ओके, वेलकम. नेक्स्ट, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Okay. There are numerous benefits of playing sports, especially sports is the one thing that make us strong and that make us physically strong, and it's just a kind of exercise. And I believe that people who play sports are more enthusiastic and have strong immune system that can fight bacteria and other disease.
Okay. Next one. Do you think the types of sports that are popular will change in the future?
Types of sports?
Do you think that the types of sports that are popular these days will change in the future?
Yeah, as we know, these days people prefer to play sports physically. But as we are becoming advanced in technology, nowadays many people usually like to usually like to play sports on their you can say a technological apparatus and their smart devices. For example, like video games and other numerous games available on the internet. So yeah, I think there is a difference between them.
How can sports brings people from different countries closer together?
Yeah, as we know, so many sports events like PSL. If we talk about my country, then the renowned event known as PSL event that basically engaged the people from several countries.
Not engages.
Engage that engages people of several countries, and they basically united. And they play
Not
together.
united, they unite.
People unite and play together. So yeah, I believe that sports can also contribute towards the cordial relationships with other countries.
What can PSL do? It can trigger patriotism.
Yeah.
वो आप different शहरों का कर रहे होते हैं, but even if those cities are competing with each other, no one would say, okay, don't do PSL. They don't hate it because it's uh, it's it's something which is burnishing the image of Pakistan. Have you heard the word burnish? आपने burnish
Sir, it is representing the positive picture of
burnish का
Pakistan.
मतलब होता है improve करना. Tarnish का मतलब होता है बुरा करना.
Tarnish, sir, दागदार.
जी, टार्निश का मतलब है आप कह सकते हैं जो कोई हमारे दुश्मन मुल्क है या जो भी है, आप उनके बारे में कह सकते हैं दे वर ट्राइंग टू टार्निश द इमेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान. वो उसको बुरा करना चाह रहे थे. और अगर आप पीएसएल का कहते हैं तो आप कह सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ पीएसएल वी वर एबल टू बर्निश द इमेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन द वर्ल्ड. बाजवा, are you there?
Yes, sir. I think I am with you.
Okay. Are you writing all these words down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Manifold advantages, myriad advantages. Burnish the image of Pakistan, tarnish the image of Pakistan. Next person who is left, Miss Sobia. Is there anyone apart from Miss Sobia who has not done the speaking part 3?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's start with Sobia.
Yes.
How do most people travel long distances in your country? Sobia? I think her child had to use.
Sir, just 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start please. How do most people travel long distances in your country?
Okay, in our country, mostly people travel long distances by their own cars, and long distances like excuse me, sir, sorry.
Do you want to skip it or do you want to do it?
Sir, I don't want to do it.
You want to do it right now? Okay, I'll do it with you tomorrow then, privately.
Okay.
Okay. So those who were not able to do the speaking practice today would be doing it with me tomorrow. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. I would be coming online for academic students because I have to do a table type question with you. On Sunday, I will be having a discussion with you related to your writing tasks, and on Tuesday or Monday I would be conducting the next speaking practice. So your homework for this weekend is to answer all these questions.
Answer all these like the each and every topic. So I think we have just covered for like 36 questions.
हाँ, ये 36 क्वेश्चन सिर्फ नहीं है ना, इसके आपने अपने आंसर्स आपने देने हैं कि आप इसके बारे में सोच सकें. उसके बाद मैं आपको इनके आंसर्स भी दे दूंगा इसी वीकेंड पे.
So we have to write the answers on billion essays.
नहीं, ये आप बात सुने. अगर आप इसके आंसर्स नहीं लिखना चाहते तो आप सिंपली इन क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ लें, इनके बारे में थोड़े बहुत नोट्स लिख दें, इनके आंसर्स मैं आपको दे दूंगा.
ओके सर.
जैसे मैंने पार्ट 1 किए ना आपको, तो मैं वैसे ही पार्ट 3 के पार्ट 1 आपने सारे पढ़ लिए नहीं पढ़े?
So I am studying them.
ठीक है, आपने स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 के आंसर सारे पढ़ने हैं और पार्ट 2 के भी। पार्ट 3 के मैं इस वीकेंड पे आपको दूंगा, मगर आप 1 या 2 पॉइंट कम से कम इन क्वेश्चंस को आपने देखा हो कि हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में जब भी हम स्पीकिंग करें तो हम इसकी डिस्कशन कर सकें कि ये क्वेश्चन की समझ नहीं आ रही। अभी क्या हो रहा था कि मुझे ये लग रहा था कि किसी ने भी ये क्वेश्चन देखे नहीं थे, जिसकी वजह से हमने जहां 100 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करने थे हम सिर्फ 36 to 40 कर सके। ओके, so please have a look at these words, and in tomorrow's class we would be working on writing task 2, and also we would be working on a grammar review। वो जो 20 quizzes मैंने आपको दिए थे वो मैं यहाँ पे उनके रूल्स को सारे डिस्कस करेंगे हम। ओके
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
थैंक यू।
Okay, sir.
खुदा